A and B are points on a circle with center O here. CAD is a tangent to the circle A. BOD is a straight line. And angle ODA is 32 degrees. And we need to work out the size of angle CAB. So this one here, showing all of our working. So we want to see if we can get any other information out of this diagram to start with. The thing that jumps out to me is that CAD is a tangent to the circle at A. So this is a tangent, and this line is coming from the centre of the circle and meeting at the tangent point. Therefore, it follows that this angle here and this angle here must be 90 degrees. So I'm going to draw that on there. And what you often find in these questions is once you get one bit of information, it follows on to the next thing, next and next. So now we've got this bit of information. If we have a look at this triangle here, we've got 2 out of the 3 angles. And we can use the fact that all the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees to work out this angle. We can say that angle AOD equals, that's going to be 180 degrees because that's the total of them. And the 2 angles that we've got, if we take those away, so that will be 90 and 32 degrees. It's going to give us 58 degrees. So this angle up here is 58 degrees. Now we're also told that BOD is a straight line. And angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So because we got this one now, we can now work this angle here out. So angle AOB is going to equal 180, and if we take away the angle we already know of 58, we get 122 degrees. Now the next thing that follows on from that, because this line here is a radius of the circle, and this line is as well, the triangle that's made up by that is by definition an isosceles triangle. That means that this angle here and this angle here are the same. So I'm going to call that angle A to make it a bit easier. Since we know triangle AOB is isosceles, because O to A and O to B must be the same length, we can say that again using our fact that the interior angles of a triangle add to 180 degrees, that 2A plus 122 is 180 degrees. So therefore 2A is 180 take away 122. So A is, and if we divide both sides by 2, so I'm going to write it as a half of 180 minus 122. And if you pop that into the calculator, you get 29. So therefore, we know that this angle here is 29 degrees. And we also know that this angle is 29 degrees, but that's not as relevant for us working out x. So now we're on our final step, because we know that this angle is 90 degrees because we worked that out earlier. We see that it's also x plus 29. So we can say from that, that x plus 29 equals 90. So x equals 90 take away 29. So therefore x equals 61 degrees. So we got our first mark here for working out that this is 90 degrees. We got our second mark for going through the process to work out this is 29 degrees. We get our third and final mark for the correct answer of 61 degrees.